What's up, everybody? It's Dono. I know it's been a long time since I put out a video on this channel, so I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on and what you can expect. It's going to be a little bit different than a lot of my other videos. Obviously, I haven't put anything out in like 2 years. So just for a couple updates, I don't know if or when I'm going to be putting out any more content on this channel. It's kind of a long story, but basically in the last 2.5 years, I switched careers into software, and that's been eating up almost all my time. I tried to kind of keep up with this channel at the start, but the amount of time that it took for me was just not worth it in terms of what it was getting me back. You know, like it sucks because I really enjoyed answering questions and working on stuff, but it just took up so much time. And in the meantime, besides switching careers, I also just finished writing the manuscript for a book, and I was trying to keep up another channel, HowToHappy. The truth is, that channel is probably going to get most, if not all, of my attention moving forward. I've just finally gotten to the point where my attention is freed up a little bit, and I'm able to start thinking about making videos again. So realistically, that's what's going to happen is I'm going to be putting out new videos on this other channel, and this channel probably won't get a lot of love. I really want to come back at some point. I just don't have the time right now. The other piece of it is it was such an obligation. It started feeling like something that I had to do, like a chore, instead of something that was really enjoyable all the time. So I think that now that I've had a big enough break from all this kind of content creation and stuff, I can step back and start thinking about ways to bring this channel back, maybe in a way that isn't as much overhead. But what that means is for people who have subscribed to this and been watching this for a long time, there's a good chance that the style of content is going to change if I put out anything at all. I would like to think that at some point, some of this other stuff is going to sort itself out, and I'll have had enough of a break that I can get back into the space of kind of writing and making music and giving out kind of different pieces of information that I picked up along the way. But in the near future, I just don't really see it happening. It just takes up way too much of my time, and I have way too many things on my plate. So with that being said, I really, really do appreciate everybody who has taken the time to watch these videos, that has looked at the content, subscribed, given support, checked out my courses, all that kind of stuff, because it really has been an awesome part of my history. I just don't know how much I'm going to invest into it into the future. So all I really have for this video, just wanted to give you guys an update, and maybe I'll figure out some ways to come up with some wider content and inject that back in. But as far as I can see right now, I don't see the path. But I do appreciate the support and everybody that came along for the ride. So thanks, and see ya.